up quality, healthy meals for the family night after night can sometimes feel impossible, and that is where the dinner ladies can step in. The Sydney Queens of pre-prepared, freshly made dinners are a saviour for any busy household, and the ladies are back today to knock us up a yummy winter warmer. Please welcome Sophie and Catherine back to the show, girls.
I'm Sophie Gilliatt and I'm one of the owners of the Dinner Ladies. We just make food that is yummy, that contains proper ingredients. I mean, we always say it's, nothing your grandmother wouldn't recognise.
I'm Catherine Westwood, I'm one of the Dinner Ladies. I think a lot of people get caught up in let's market, let's get in front of people, let's do this, and forget about the most important thing in a food business. The food has to be great and taste great. We make a fantastic product, it's nourishing, it's delicious, it's, makes women's lives and men's lives, whoever's providing the food, much easier.